Hello friends, welcome to Air Travel Sati. Today we will discuss about the latest Thailand entry requirement. Friends, as you are aware that Thailand's Bangkok, Pattaya, Phuket is very popular among the SAARC countries. So recently Thailand government started giving certificate of entry for the countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan and Maldives. So if you are planning to travel to Thailand, then kindly watch this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that in future you will receive many updates for Thailand as well as any other country you will be visiting too. So let's start.
Came all this way to see you.
On 17th September, Thailand started issuance of certificate of entry for the countries like India, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan and Maldives. So if you are from this country, you can visit Thailand provided that you need to obtain an entry certificate from the embassy, from the Royal Embassy of Thailand, or you can obtain a COE, that is certificate of entry, from the Consulate General of the Royal Embassy of Thailand. If you are a traveler from the mentioned countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan or Thailand, you need to plan your trip in advance at least 7 days before departure, and you need to register for COE, that is certificate of entry, and you can apply this through online. In my video's description I will give you the COE application link, that is www.coethailandmfa.gov. so by going to this website you can obtain a COE. So now we'll discuss about who can travel to Thailand after 17th September, or which categories of visas can enter Thailand currently. Number one is, if you are a Thailand national, means a national of Thailand, and can enter Thailand without any PCR test or a fitness certificate issued before 72 hours of your departure. Number two is, if you are a resident permit holder, you can also apply for COE. Number three is, if you are holding a work permit of Thailand and your family members traveling with you can apply for certificate of entry. Next eligible criteria is, if you are a crew member, you can travel to Thailand. Next is, if you are a student and you study in the university or schools in the Thailand, then also you can apply for COE. Next is, if you are a diplomat, then obviously you can travel to Thailand with a valid COE. Another criteria is special arrangements made or a special permit categories of passengers who has obtained COE for special purposes, or foreigners permitted with a special arrangement, they also can enter Thailand. So this criteria visa holder can enter Thailand currently. Now you have got certificate of entry clearance, so after that what are the additional requirements applicable for Thailand, we'll discuss about this. First of all, you need to have a COE, that is certificate of entry, which I have already discussed. Next is you need to get a fit to fly certificate issued. That certificate should be issued within 72 hours before your departure. Next is you need to carry an RT-PCR report. RT-PCR report should not later than 72 hours before your departure. And if you are carrying with any infant also need to do a RT-PCR test. That means infant is not exempted. Along with adult, infant also has to go through RT-PCR test. Next criteria is that you need to have a COVID health insurance or COVID treatment health insurance amounting $1 lakh minimum. So you need to get a health insurance. You need to insured with a health insurance, and this should be covered in Thailand. The cost or the sum insured amount is minimum $1 lakh. Next is you need to arrange for alternate state quarantine for 14 days after arrival in Thailand. So ASQ alternate state quarantine is mandatory for all passenger who is entering Thailand. Now there is another criteria, is that if you are willing to go to Thailand, you need to be fully vaccinated, and the approved vaccines names are: number 1 is CoronaVac, number 2 is AstraZeneca, number 3 is Covishield, number 4 is Pfizer, number 5 is Janssen, number 6 is Moderna, number 7 is Sinopharm, and number 8 is Sputnik V. So these mentioned vaccines are approved by Thailand government. So if you have taken the vaccines from these categories, then you will be eligible to travel to Thailand. So friends, in this video I have elaborately described what are the travel requirements applicable for Thailand visit. So kindly go through this video once again if you are not sure what are the documents you need to carry, and also please check the description of this video where I will be giving all the required or necessary documents required for travel to Thailand. I hope that you have find this video informative. If you find this video informative, kindly like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.